Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a language in PUBG. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To change your language in PUBG, open up your PUBG application first. Make sure that you're inside your PUBG game, and once you are, from the main home page, go to the bottom right hand corner and tap on this little icon right next to inventory. Tap settings from the options and go to the right hand side of the screen, scroll all the way down and tap on language. Now, you can select your interface language from the first option and choose between 14 different languages by simply selecting them and tapping on OK. Similarly, you can also change your chat language. Tap on this little edit icon right under primary language and select the language of your choice from the options. Give it a tap and tap on OK in order to change it. Also, simply go ahead and make your selection in order to change your language on PUBG. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.